Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have admin control and the target's MAC or IP ready. Now begin. First, open the Hotspot's management interface on your phone or router. Use the app or web portal. Once logged in, navigate to connected devices and locate the entry for the user you intend to block. Take note of that device's MAC address, device name, and assigned IP. This step secures the identifiers you'll need to ensure you block the correct user without disrupting others. With identifiers recorded, add the device to the Hotspot's blacklist or access control list. Enter the MAC address exactly. If your interface supports firewall rules, create a rule to drop or reject traffic from that MAC or IP. Place it above Allow rules so it takes effect immediately. Once done, save and apply settings. The device should lose connectivity. If you prefer softer action, set a bandwidth cap or restrict internet time windows. And finally, confirm the device is disconnected by checking the connected list and testing uplink. If it remains online, reboot the hotspot and clear the DHCP lease to force reevaluation. Make sure your block rule is higher priority than any allow or guest rules. Misplaced rules are the most common failure. If problems persist, update hotspot firmware, review logs for rejection entries, and temporarily change the SSID password. This forces all users to re-authenticate, ensuring the blocked user cannot rejoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.